Hi everyone. We've got a great new feature I want to talk about. It's a new way to enter options with limit orders. Here we're looking at a 1-month call on Eurodollar. The strike is roughly at the money at 108.60, and buying it today would cost 68 pips, or if I click on the word price, $6,800 per million. Let's say I want to put in a take profit order. I click the word limit on the right side, and we see these opening and closing limit order panels. I'm going to touch the close limit panel and choose a level at which I'm willing or I'm interested in selling this option. If I'm paying $6,800 for it, let's say I want to sell it for about $15,000 so that I can make myself a nice $8,000 profit. If I long press, I can put in my exact amount, 15,000. Zoom in a little bit here. What this is showing me is that I can buy the option in the market today for $6,800, and if I want to sell it for $15,000, I'll make a profit of $8,100, and that should happen according to this green line that extends all the way to the left, somewhere around 110. So we see that spot needs to go up about 140 pips in order for the option to go up from a price of 68 pips to 150 pips. This makes sense since the delta of an at-the-money option is 50%. Now what's interesting is that the connection between the limit order and the spot price is being shown in two ways. It's showing once on this horizon line, which is colored in orange, and it's also shown on the expiration line, which is in green and red, on the profit and loss diagram. The point is, if I buy this option today and the market moves higher and I sell it today, the option still has time value. However, over time, the option will start to lose time value, which means the market has to move higher in order to reach that same take profit level. I'm going to zoom in a little bit further and I'm going to show you what I mean. Notice here, the limit order level using a horizon line of today is going to be reached, it looks like around 109.90. And at expiration, it's going to be above 110. If I click on the horizon slider, I can see how this limit order level changes with time. I'm still looking for a take profit of 150 pips. If it happens today, it'll happen at around 109.90. If it happens in the future, spot has to be higher in order to reach that same take profit level. The reason being that the option is losing time value. So this is a really powerful tool. It makes the assumption that implied volatilities and bid-ask spreads are unchanged, but this diagram does include the full bid-ask spread today. And we can also put in a stop loss. Let's say I want to put in a stop loss at around 25 pips, or at exactly 25 pips. So I'm now looking at buying an option with a take profit and a stop loss, and you can see where the spot needs to be to hit either of those levels today. And if I change my horizon line, you can see where it needs to be in the future. In order to get any money back for selling this option at expiration, the option has to be in the money, otherwise its value is zero. That's why you see this stop loss line moving much higher as time goes by. So this is just a really cool feature that lets you really understand how time and price are related in the option, how they're related to the spot price. Also works, of course, for selling an option. Then your take profit is going to be down below and your stop loss will be above. It works for calls, it works for puts, and it's very similar to the way things work for spot trading. So check it out, give it a try, and if you create an excellent trade idea, you can still click on that sharing icon and share it with your friends. Have a great day.